Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 Windows security not open. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your apps, and after that go to your apps and features. After that, in the app list, search up Windows Security. Now here is a Windows Security. Click on these three dots, go to your advanced options. Scroll down, click on a repair. If same error exists, click on reset. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box, type a PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell, right click Run as Administrator. After opening that, go to your now type this command get dash app x package space microsoft dot sec health ui space all users dash reset dash app x package. So type this command about that, and after that click on enter. After that, type exit and exit the command prompt. After that, go to your settings and check it. Here is. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.